Hello! Welcome to the app of Semana da Bioengenharia. First and foremost, you will have to register. Answer every field so we can know who you are and how come you got to know us. Feel free to upload your CV as well, as it will be provided to our sponsors. Worry not, for you can always change your personal information later by pressing the top left corner button. Just don't forget to save any changes. You can always share our app with some friends by clicking the share button. It will open a QR code and you can receive some BioCoins. If you would like to know us a bit better, press the SBE button at the bottom. Here, you can find detailed information about us and our partners. In the About Us section, you can learn more about SBE and you can meet the team. In the Partners section, you can meet our partners as they are classified in various categories: partners, main and gold sponsors, and supporters. Some discount codes can also be found next to the info about our supporters, so don't refrain yourself from taking a look. Following, we've got the event schedule. In this section, you can discover all the activities we have planned for the week. You can press the titles to learn more about them and their speakers. Interested in a lecture or a pitch? Press the plus button next to the activity. The Join button, on the other hand, will lead you to the link that will give you access to the online platform. Besides lectures and pitches, we also have workshops, Alumni Sessions, and a job fair. Be aware though, as these events have a limited number of participants. The procedure to join these activities is similar to that of lectures and pitches. However, you will be added to a queue and receive an email confirming your registration. If you cannot make it, please cancel your registration to open a vacancy. Furthermore, you can click on My Schedule and see what you have planned for the week. You can also cancel your registrations at any time. Questions? We've got a section dedicated just for that. Feel free to ask anything during lectures and pitches. You can also see what other users have asked and like their questions if you see fit. The most liked questions will be the ones answered. In the middle, a QR code scan can be seen. It will be useful during workshops, Alumni Sessions, and the job fair. You ought to scan the QR codes as you will get BioCoins from doing so. Last but not least, we arrive at the Piggy Bank. You'll gain BioCoins as you participate in activities, ask questions, and scan QR codes. At the end, the 3 people with more BioCoins will have the chance to win incredible awards. So do not miss anything. I look forward to seeing you at our event.